guys, what's up? This is Tridib and you are watching a brand new episode of Learn with Tridib, idea generating and design thinking. Hope you all are safe and sound and doing extremely well in your life. I guess by now you have covered a lot about visual thinking for business by watching the series of videos that I have crafted for you. If you have missed previous videos, please click on suggested videos and playlist at the top right corner of this video. Just like a regular pledge, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon if you have already not done so. If you like the video, please like, share and comment to motivate me. So without much ado, let's deep dive into this extremely important video and let us see how a design thinking workshop happens and how to generate ideas. Well, let us understand this clearly. Every good idea starts with a challenge. Any business, the most important challenge is how to meet the changing mindset, needs, and drive business success in a world that is so competitive. Innovations are happening almost every second, and products are rolled out almost daily, for which we don't even have a defined customer segment. To balance this vast expanse of new ideas, we have to keep on expanding our innovation horizon. Let us see how visual thinking can help in design thinking. Please note, unlike other visual thinking processes for business, multiple competencies are involved to combine empathy, creativity and rationality. Hence, marketing, sales, customer support, strategy, product management, UX UI design and the R&D engineers are all expected to involve in this process. Design thinking is basically a 5-step process of empathy, define, ideate, prototype and test. Many people include an extra step of packaging or storytelling as on one of the steps to establish what is the product and service will address and how it intends to make life better. Many visual thinkers, however, thinks that it comprises of 4 D steps: discover, define, develop and deliver. Typically, a design thinking workshop do not take place where people do their routine work. The location needs to stimulate creativity and have facilities to engage in design activities like whiteboard, markers, papers, tapes, sticky notes, Lego blocks, etc. A design thinking or an idea generation workshop can last for a few hours or a full entire week. In this video, I will not cover design thinking in detail. It would be an upcoming video, a bigger one pertaining to only DT. However, I will cover card mapping, paper prototyping and design your biggest and meanest competition in this video. In card mapping, we use time pressure to force people to think without judgment. Maybe 8 cards in 5 minutes. You can also use sticky notes to paste on the whiteboard or lay out cards on the table. Cluster by grouping ideas and prioritize by visual voting. In follow-up iterations, the prioritized ideas will be detailed out and funneled step by step. Not only images, but even a rough sketch can say more than 1,000 words. Paper prototyping urges to experiment and also saves time and money. It helps you to fail faster rather than wasting too much of time and money and effort and then fail later. Like a wireframe can be the initial prototype of a website or a mobile app. The fidelity grows via multiple design iterations and testing. tips. Even you can use cartoon storyboarding or a video scribe app or a doodly app to present your innovative ideas. In this step, we will learn to develop various fiercest competitor scenarios. Competitor that leads to technology innovation, sustainability, intimacy, etc. Each team will generate and design a business model for the competitor scenario. Teams are then asked to Zen voting, reviewing ideas and voting in silence. This allows everyone to form their own opinions before they get biased by other opinions. So that's all folks for today. In this YouTube episode, I will be giving away some real big stuffs, a full DFY done for you and ready to use visual thinking templates in high resolution that you can print out and use just like that in your workshops, organizations or at your desktop softboard. I'm also giving some amazing posters that you can use at your everyday workplace. All you have to do is like, share and comment on this video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon and send me a screenshot of that image at tridibghosh2015@gmail.com from your email address that you always use. I will send you the thank you kit to your email address. You can also visit https://learnwithtridib.com and subscribe to our newsletter, and all subscribers will be sent the same thank you kit within a week. For your privacy, I don't want you to use the comment section to share your email address. If you do so, please do at your own risk. Learn with Tridib or I, Tridib Ghosh, should not be held responsible if your email box get flooded of junk emails. I, Tridib Ghosh, hate to spam my subscribers and will never do that. I will see you in the next webisode. Till then, goodbye. Happy viewing, happy learning.